GMP provides the foundation for working in regulated pharmaceutical and life science environments. It helps companies maintain controlled processes, consistent documentation, and quality-focused operations that support product safety and compliance. To help you build this foundation, we have developed the GMP Basics Career Path. This career path has been designed around key introductory areas that support regulated work. Through this path, you will learn about life science compliance, GMP principles, good documentation practices, quality management systems, authority inspections, and change control. As you progress, you will earn a certificate for each completed course. Once you complete the full set, you will also receive a career path certificate that recognizes your achievement across the entire pathway. Are you ready to begin? Activate your subscription to unlock the full career path and start your first module today.